Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to Scrapyard. Um, I know it's been a minute. I feel like I need to apologize to everybody. Uh, what happens is I have I have ADD and I take medication and it lets me deal with it all right. But when I don't have my medication, I can't concentrate on anything. I have a hard time spending more than 5, 10 minutes at a time doing anything. So I haven't really gotten anything done in the last 2 weeks. Uh, my workbench is a mess. The and my house is a mess, really. But anyway, I got my meds straightened out. It happens. I missed an appointment or something, so I didn't get a refill this past month. I had took me a couple of weeks to get in, but anyway, I should be back to building um, anytime now. That's not to say I sat here and done absolutely nothing. I just didn't get very much done. Let me turn you around here and show you what I've been screwing with. Been messing with my 3D printer, other stuff. What this is, I about got where I can print it right. These are all failed prints. I haven't printed it good yet, well yet. But what this stuff is, I don't know if you see that very well. This is Marston matting, and what it is the pierced steel panels that they would use to cover temporary airfields with during World War II. And there were like piles and piles of this stuff, man, laying around, man, after the war, man, surplus and everything. And a lot of it got turned into trailers. And that's how come I'm trying to print some out. I want to make a trailer for my little Altereds. The panels are 10 foot long by 15 inches wide. And it's just right for the tread plate. I mean, I'm sure there were cottage industries set up to utilize this stuff because there are like, literally hundreds of tons of this. But you see, it's just about right. One panel is to make a trailer for that thing. I mean, the decking for the trailer. Of course, the trailer would actually itself deck would be a lot longer. But yeah, there's that. I mean, um, been printing a few other things too. I got a file for a injected flathead. Believe it or not. Uh, a yeah, two spark yeah, 2 spark plugs per cylinder, dual spark flathead injected. And I figure I'll put it in something, man. I'm thinking that little streamliner from the double dragster kit. Stash ads. I got a bunch of stash ads in. Like I said, I've just been sitting here not doing nothing much, but things have been coming in. Um, oh yeah, pull this out and mess around with it a little more. I don't know if y'all have seen this or not. This is my very first video on this channel was this car. But yeah, I've been working on it, a little fiddling with it a little bit. Decided I really don't like the chassis. I'm gonna build another one. Might make an undersprung front suspension on it, get it lower. But yeah, fiddling with that a little bit. What else? Um, really haven't been working on anything. That's new acquisitions. Been doing a little printing. Got a pile of parts over there. All right, stash ads. Well, got another one of these. It was like a two for deal. I got this one and this one for about what I would have paid for one kit. So I couldn't turn it down, man. The 53 Ford truck kit, man. That's one of my favorites, even though I'm not a big truck fan. It's got so many custom parts in it, and then it's got that 392 Hemi in it. That early Hemi, man, it's kind of neat. There's those, and I picked this up. This is incomplete, but I got a good deal on it. This is an interesting kit, man. This is Monroe Handler. It was a real car. They built 7 of them. Monroe shocks. They give them away. Yeah, but this is not a bad looking little kit here, man. It's there's no option to build a stock Mustang 2, Cobra, but the flares don't look bad. It's started. It's not all there, but all the major stuff's there. Just something for the scrapyard. Yeah, yeah. One of the worst cars of all time. I got one of them. I had to have it as odd. uh, Actually, this thing's not bad, man. It's some of these old MPC annuals, especially the ones from the '80s, are decent. I got no idea what I'm going to do with this, but I can't tell you how many Cavaliers. I mean, it was a joke, man. Cavaliers, man. Hell, uh, in the late '80s, early '90s, man. Can't tell you how many of them things, man, I've seen fall by the wayside and get rash use out of them. And I got this. This is neat. Got another altered wheelbase Falcon. This one's sealed in the box. I don't know. I might just put it up. I'm definitely just gonna put it up for now. But it's the same car that's in the Cal Drag Team, the one with the trailer in the '63 Galaxy. And these next 3 was a lot, man. And I'm like, all in, I think I was $50 all in on this lot. 3 kits. This first one, man, if they'd all been like this, man, it'd been screwed up, man. It's all there, man. It's just not a very good kit. The '67 GTO. I think Lucas C or one of them says the worst kit of all time, but that was in it. So that obviously wasn't what I was bidding on. This was in there. It's all there. It's a good kit. Everybody's seen this kit, I'm sure, man. The 3-window Revell 32 Ford. Um, but yeah, I mean that was just like to sweeten the deal. But what I was actually bidding on, and the price I paid was kind of low for what it was, and I think it was people didn't notice because it was like I said, it was in the lot. Is this here? That's a sealed 54 should be panel Demons version, Demons issue, and I got it for $40 with two other kits thrown in. I think I did all right. I mean, I think I give more. I think I give almost that or more for the drill sergeant version. I mean, I don't know what it is about that panel truck that it stays on the money so much. Anyway, like I said, I really haven't been doing anything. Uh, now that I have my Concerta, um, you know, I did the best I could, man. Hell, the caffeine is a poor substitute for amphetamine, right? And when I don't get my meds, I just can't concentrate, can't talk. I mean, can't complete anything, man. It's like, well, I have a hard time completing anything anyway, even with meds. But the thing about it is, man, I have a hard time doing anything more than 5 or 10 minutes at a time if I don't have something to help me. Um, so, that's how I end up with so many projects. I know I'll never finish all of them. I mean, um, but it's fun to mess with things. Um, anyway, that's all I got for now. I should be getting some content out this week. You know, it's not for lack of stuff to work on. Um, I don't think I've ever showed y'all my workbench. Let's just kind of turn it around a little bit, all that stuff, tools and stuff. But the rack of in progress projects, and then I got kits stacked everywhere. I mean, I got to quit buying kits for a while anyway. Really, I do need to because I'd like to get a new computer soon. This was, I don't know, I've had it about 4 years and it wasn't that great of a computer to start with. But I need to find me some wheels for this thing. Man, I just been lazy. That's what people would say anyway. But still got the still got supports on it. There's the injection flathead injection setup. And I tell you what, I, I can 3D print stacks, man. It looked really really nice, man. Real thin walls, and uh, it surprised me that the stacks turned out so well. But anyway, that's all I got for now. Like, subscribe, um, leave a comment. Like I said, I apologize once again. Thank you for. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I will be giving something away at 500. I got a kit, and let's see. Let me find it. It's a sealed kit. Uh, boom, 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 boom. Where is that? Oh, it's over here in the cabinet. Mhm. There we go. Corvette CR5. Yeah, the Rebel Corvette CR5. I'll be giving it away at 500 plus a couple of smaller things, some 3D prints. Um, But that's for when I hit 500, man. We're really close, so won't be long now. Anyway, that's all for today. Today's early morning on Wednesday. I'm sure I'll have something up again by Friday, Saturday. Um, y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll talk to you later. Bye.